Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer with Blade, White Black. Versatile slicer cuts produce straight, wavy or julienne. Sharp, V-shaped blade of hardened stainless steel easily slices both firm vegetables like potatoes and soft fruits like tomatoes. Straight, wavy and julienne blades conveniently store on board and remove for cleaning. Brilliant gadget perfect for making homemade coleslaw, and the easily swappable blades make grating just as easy as finely slicing. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and being from OXO Good Grips, it's a sturdy piece of kit. It also takes up very little room in the kitchen, which is a plus. I bought this for hubby to use. It's very sharp and I would slice myself. It's brill. The veg holder and finger shield is effective. Don't try to test how sharp the blades are. They are really useful tool to make garnishes and fine slices without the hassle. Awesome piece of kit for the kitchen. The blades are extra sharp, so a little care has to be taken when slicing, but use it correctly and you won't slice the top of your finger off. Is just about the only julienne blade that actually works with ease, although you still get a bit of waste. Can be a little confusing putting everything back together once used, but it'll soon come second nature. Highly recommended.